You are watching EnergyNewsTV.com, your home for fresh energy news delivered daily. This is the early market report for October 22, 2024. WTI crude oil futures were trading between $70 and $71 per barrel on Tuesday, after rising nearly 2% in the previous session. Despite the uptick, prices are weighed down by a bearish outlook for crude oil. On Monday, China announced a reduction in its key lending rates as part of its stimulus measures to revive the economy. However, demand concerns persist from the top crude importer, with traders awaiting clearer signs of improvement within the country. Oil market players are also cautious about a potential surplus in the global oil market, as OPEC is set to restore output in December. Meanwhile, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken traveled to the Middle East on Monday, renewing efforts to push for a ceasefire. Still, markets are closely watching for any potential supply disruptions, particularly as investors focus on how Israel will respond to Iran's recent missile barrage and attacks by Tehran-backed proxies. Turning to the natural gas market, U.S. natural gas futures rose above $2.30 per million British thermal units, recovering from a more than 14% drop last week, driven by robust production and forecasts of cooler weather that could increase heating demand. Despite meteorologists predicting mostly warmer than normal temperatures through early November, the anticipated cooler conditions in the coming week are expected to boost demand for heating, leading to a projected rise in average gas demand from 96 billion cubic feet per day this week to 100.2 billion cubic feet per day next week. Average gas output in the lower 48 states has decreased to 101.5 BCF per day in October, down from 101.8 BCF per day in September. And analysts expect producers to cut output in 2024 for the first time since 2020 due to reduced drilling activities. Additionally, gas flows to the 7 major U.S. LNG export plants increased to an average of 13.1 BCF per day this month, up from 12.7 BCF per day in September, although still below the record high of 14.7 BCF per day set in December 2023. Meanwhile, the tropical season isn't over yet. The most recent runs of the major tropical models show activity lighting up again during the last few days of October and into the first week or more of November. Thank you for watching EnergyNewsTV.com, your home for fresh energy news delivered daily. Be sure to like and subscribe to our page. Stay tuned for more fresh energy news.